This morning, we are flagging off drought pellets donated by RACIDA for livestock supplementary feeding, totaling to 19,200 bags. That's 960 metric tons for 6 sub-counties. The sub-counties are Mandera East, Mandera South, Mandera West, Lafay, and Banissa. These are 19,200 bags, 960 metric tons. We do appreciate this timely response by RACIDA. As you know, we have one of the worst droughts in 40 years. And seriously, we are in a serious drought situation. And this is where we need to call all the stakeholders and all the actors in the either in the water sector or the livestock sector or the health sector, that we need to program our issues so that we save our community, because in 40 years this drought has not been seen a drought like this in Mandera County. We do appreciate RACIDA for other programs also. You remember some weeks ago they donated 8 generating sets for the water ministry, which went to 8 boreholes together with accessories. They're also doing water tracking. They're also doing hygiene promotion. They're also doing rehabilitation works. They're also doing donating some plastic tanks for some health facilities. They're also involved in the health sector in terms of malnourished children, 100 sites for outreach. They're also giving money. It's called cash transfer to 9,565 households. So there are other also West Coast or County Steering Group members that are also helping us mitigate this drought. And many of the NGOs that are in this county are involved in this. If I name the Kenya Red Cross, UNICEF, DRC, NEPAD, World Vision, that was helping us do even water tracking in Mandera West, Alight, and many, many others, because they are all the NGOs in this county are involved in various ways. They save the children and so forth. As I said, the drought is one of the worst in 40 years. As we plan for resilience program, because at the end of the day, the county government of Mandera, led by His Excellency Governor Mohammed Adan Khalif, one of the ways of mitigating this drought is, first of all, we focus ourselves on the resilience, the long-term solutions. But as we look for the long-term solutions, we also need to try to focus on how to mitigate the short-term emergencies, like what the livestock is now facing in Mandera, and especially the cattle. I think I've walked around, I've gone to various places. What we saw is, especially the cattle is perishing. Those people who are able have shifted their cows to elsewhere, but the poor ones, I think many of them are lost. And in one of the speeches of His Excellency, he said that we lost livestock worth 11 billion, and now that figure has increased. I think we are collaborating with other actors for the long-term resilience program, and one of them is UNICEF, where we are doing what we call satellite aquifer mapping. That has been done already. The data is being analyzed, and we expect issues of water and other programs that affect water sector very soon. We'll have a solution for them, especially where in Mandera West and Banissa and parts of Lafay and Mandera South and Mandera North, where the ground water is always a little bit tricky. I think that technology is going to help us.
My name's Sabdo Dagana Osman. I'm the county coordinator, RACIDA, Mandera. Basically today we gathered here so that we can be able to launch the distribution of our drought pellets and other other emergency relief commodities to the drought affected communities in Mandera County to caution the drought effects. Basically that's why we are here, and as you can see on my back, those are some of the trucks that are carrying almost 960 metric tons of drought pellets.